my dear friend, I would like to ask you, as we are from MCA,
Yes.
we are going to join industries where the technicality portion will be there. But you, as a MBA student, what you have been amused more here? What you are looking for here? As MBA student, what will be a value addition for you?
Yeah, that's very good question that you have asked to me. और आज हम लोग आए हैं द यूपी इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड शो। और भाई आज का मतलब कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके, क्योंकि आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड, आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर पर्टिकुलर दैट डे फॉर 2 months एंड फाइनली वो डे आ ही गया और वी आर इन द यूपी इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड शो। तो भाई कैसा लग रहा है मतलब?
Yes, bro, we have enjoyed a lot today. As you know, today's our honorable PM and CM has came.
ओके
So we were invited for the inauguration today. Sahil, please show me the inauguration letter you have.
या सो यू कैन लुक एट द इनॉग्रेशन लेटर।
So we were basically the part of PM and CM speeches today. Now we are just exploring the products like you.
So what you have realized so far, like you know, in particular in that show, many investors and many businessmen, entrepreneurs come here and from different products and franchises. So how was your experience so far today?
So today, as our more interest is towards the technical part, as there are many Haldirams things and etc things. But we were majority focusing towards the technical part, like drones are there. Like AI implementation is there in various machineries. So just as you found us near the robotics, so that's what we are exploring more.
Yeah,
The technical part.
exactly. There is we can see over here many technical business also here, those who are innovating in India, and they are contributing our India's GDPs as well. So it was really a great experience while being here, and I was really amazed to meet such top-notch people, media channels, entrepreneurs, businessmen. The gathering here over here, it was really a great experience. And I also amazed to meet my friend from ZL Bajaj.
Now, my dear friend, I would like to ask you, as we are from MCA,
Yes.
we are going to join industries where the technicality portion will be there. But you, as a MBA student, what you have been amused more here? What you are looking for here? As MBA student, what will be a value addition for you?
Yeah, that's very good question that you have asked to me. Really, it was very good question that you have put to me. Actually, you know, MBA is all about business. Okay. And I'm very passionate to start my own, not as of now, but in future I wanna start my own. So that things, whenever I was in such surrounding and such places and such environment, I feel passionate, motivated, and a burning desires comes inside from me, and I inspired to see such place, such people. बिकॉज आपको जैसे मैंने बताया कि इन फ्यूचर आई डोंट नो व्हाट गोइंग टू बी हैपन इन फ्यूचर, ओके, बट एज ऑफ नाउ माई प्लानिंग वाज टू स्टार्ट माई ओन, बिकॉज जॉब करना इज़ टू हेक्टिक इन इंडिया, एंड सर्वाइविंग इन जॉब सेक्टर, इन कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर इज़ टू हेक्टिक. दैट्स द मेन रीज़न दैट आई केम इन पार्टिकुलर दैट शो. एंड मैं तो honestly 2 month पहले से मैं इस डे का वेट कर रहा था. सो या, इट वॉज ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई लर्न एज वेल एंड आई एंजॉय एज वेल.
Of course, I will also.
That's all for today videos, and I hope so you find interesting. If you find interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends, and see you in my next video.
Yes.
See you in my
Please.
next video.
Please make our friend more reachable on YouTube
Oh,
and other social platforms.
Thank
He's
you, brother.
Doing very good here.
Thank
He's
you, brother.
taking interviews of people like us, many more.
Means a lot, brother, means a lot.
No,
And
you
thank
worth
you,
it. You worth it.
thank you for coming.
It's our pleasure. Thank you.